Hey, my name is Renee Rohan, and I'm from Alabama. And I decided to invest in the Start Your Private Practice system because I've always wanted to have my own practice ever since I was in undergrad. I knew that I eventually wanted to have my own business. And for so long, I just was scared to take the plunge. I thought about all the risks and the licensing process, and I thought, this is just going to be too hard. It's just so much easier to work for somebody else and let them handle all the administrative stuff. But since I joined Start Your Private Practice, I have realized that the steps to get started doesn't have to be that complicated. And what I like most about the program is that it is broken down into very easy step-by-step processes to complete. A lot of the things that I thought were going to be very difficult actually turned out to be very easy. And I was also concerned about having to take out this large business loan to get started and starting off in debt. And I realized through going through the Start Your Private Practice system that I can start off debt-free, and I don't have to tackle all of these loans. I don't have to rent an office space. All these things that I thought I had to do to have my own practice is far from the truth. And while, yes, it is my goal to eventually have a brick and mortar clinic and rent office space, I don't have to start off that way. I don't have to dive in head first. So if you are on the fence about investing in Start Your Private Practice, I just encourage you to take the leap of faith and get started. And as soon as you get started, you won't regret it.